So this is a view, an exterior view of my Princess 32 boat. It's a big old beast. But the hull itself, even though it's knackered on the inside, the hull is actually really good condition for a 50-year-old boat. I've done a lot of work on it too, so yeah. The outdrives here, both of these need to come off. I need to replace bellows, basically. They're all cracked and split. And to be fair, the legs need a really good service. So I've taken these covers off basically. When I took the cover off, it was full of dirt. This is a Volvo Penta 270 leg. So, like I say, it just needs to come off and it just needs really good service. I've done a lot of epoxy repairs here, as you might be able to see, but this is like a long time ago, probably about 4 years ago. I sort of lost interest in the boat for a while. I know, you know, I just need to get on with it. It's not going to repair itself. So, just need to crack on. So, what I've done, about 4 years ago, I polished down the side here, the gel coat, and it actually come up quite well. I actually polished the gel coat up here and it actually came up pretty good. So let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. It all helps. Cheers. Goodbye for now. Aquatic Sparks signing out.